ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Unang Bishar Sanjeev Banerjee haga arpusaw tarig ubnay naiwing arajar arpuway ulabam smay kumu Chief Justice Batmay jongka Meghalaya High Court haga jingyalang kapalalong ha Dorbar Hall jongka Raj Bhavan Shillong. Ya Unang Bishar Sanjeev Banerjee lapan bam smay daw lat ka jela Usatya Pal Malik haga bala sakhi lang daki menteri ka sarkar jela kibakentup yaw sembut menteri rangba uba Presiden Tensong u menteri sarkar uba Sniab Halang Dhar Ulampang jong yang Dorbar Tau Ain uba met ba lengdo unong yalam kaliang persyau Dr. Mukul Sangma ki head officer nakatran ain ke sarkar jela pat kiwei
of India as by law established that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.